is Gail Banks, and welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank everyone who has stopped to view a video, leave a comment. Thank you to all my subscribers. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to come to do a quick stretch bracelet tutorial. I've already got my beads set up the way I want them uh, the design, and I do use a bead board. I can't do it without a bead board. That's just me. I use a bead board. And I got this bead board, I want to say, from Joann several years ago, and I have a couple of them in my stash. I'm using some crackle. All these beads, I'm sorry, are 10 millimeters. This one here, let me tell you what the names of these are. This is a quartz crackle red. Oops, sorry, that's quartz crackle red. This is a light pink, and this is just a pink, and they're all 10 millimeter stones. I'm using some Stretch Magic. It's 7.7 millimeters, and it's 0.028 inches. And I will use glue at the end because I always put glue on my knots. And I use some GS Hypo Cement. And yeah, it's probably time to get a new one, but still glue in there. I'm going to use it. And here is just a bead stopper. I have some of these in my stash, and I have to use it at the end of my bead. Stop it. Hold on. I have to use it at the end right here so my beads don't go flying off everywhere. So I've already pre-cut a piece of Stretch Magic elastic. And what you want to do is you want to pre-stretch it. Pre-stretching it allows you well, it's not that it allows you, but what it does is as you wear and tear on your bracelet, it can sag, and pre-stretching it will help prevent that sag. Okay, so let's put the stopper on right here. And yeah, guys, some people may say, wow, that's a lot of Stretch Magic. I use a lot because I want to have enough to tie the knot, and I don't like just trying to get just enough, because for me, I find that it doesn't work for me very well. So all we are doing is threading our beads onto the Stretch Magic. Let me move this out of the way. And we're doing it this way. Oh, these little daisies are little, hold on. These are little daisy spacers. I know they're Hildy and Joe, because I know I got quite a few of them from Joann's several years ago. So I have quite a few in my stash. So that's what we're going to use today. If this video doesn't run too long, we'll see if we can make a pair of matching earrings, guys. So how is everyone doing? It's Mother's Day weekend. How are you guys going to celebrate the weekend? For me, my mom is gone. She's been gone since 2013. And my aunt, who was like a mother to me, well, not like a mother, she was my second mother, she's been gone too. So, but I know, I can't even find the hole. Where is the hole in here? I know there are many of us that have mothered children, be it neighbors, cousins, nieces, or nephews. So in my eyes, if you have mothered a child in your life, even if you don't have children of your own, you are a mother, and I want to wish you nothing but a wonderful and joyous Mother's Day. Because with my aunt, like I said, she was like a mother to me and my siblings, and whenever we celebrated our mother, we also celebrated her. But now they're gone, and yeah, I miss them dearly each and every day. But I know they're still with us and looking out from heaven over us. So we're just stringing on our designs, how we design the layout of the beads. That's just some extra stuff there. And I'm just putting it here on the stretchy magic cord. And guys, I tend to be a very, very slow crafter. And I hope this video doesn't run too long, because I tend to take my time and craft. And then you know how sometimes you'll do something and then you change your mind and you like, or you put it together and you like, ooh, I don't like that. That just isn't for me. And then you start over. And I tend to be one of those crafters, which I'm sure is quite a few of us out there that craft the very same way. So, but I will say I have two nephews and they're both 14 years old. And no, they're not twins. They have different mothers. And when they come over, that's the first thing they want to know is, when are we going to make bracelets? And it's gotten to the point now, I've shown them what to do and they pull out everything and they can make their own bracelets, because I also have beads in my stash where I've made bracelets for my husband. So I think this is good right here. See that? So we got it strung on. Let me take that off. Be very careful. And see, this is why I like to have extra cord, guys, because I ain't got time trying to finger pinch and do all of that. So and yeah, it wastes a lot of cord, but you know what? It's okay. This is a hobby for me, and whatever it takes to get the job done is what we'll do. So now we're going to tie the knot. So and you're just going to tie, can you guys see? We're just going to tie regular knots. So you're going to come in and come over like you're tying a pair of shoes. I stretch it a little bit, and I come over once, and I come over twice. And as you can see, that's how it looks. And they call that a surgeon's knot in the jewelry business. That's what they tell me. So there's the knot. And so I normally do it again because, I don't know, I'm just careful that way. So I'm going to tie the knot this way. Okay. Then I'll come over and over. So we can, I'm just doing it twice where it looks like it's a surgeon's knot. And bam, there we go. And then I don't want to put it on right now. Well, you know what? I'll slide it on before I put the glue on, because once I put the glue on, I don't like to take it off. So look, we made a quick and easy bracelet. And really the best way to pull on and off your stretchy cord bracelets is to roll them this way off your wrist. And yeah, this is one I made in my stash. So where's the GS? So here's the GS Hypo Cement. I'm going to bring this up close so you guys can see it. Can you see that? And I just put a little glue right there. And that's it. Bam. We made a bracelet. Now for me, let me stick it here. For me, I don't cut the threads off until my glue dries. And I allow my glue to dry overnight. I don't try to make a bracelet and wear it all in the same night. So that only took us about 8 minutes. So let's see if we can make a quick pair of earrings. Let me transition, guys. We're going to have a little bit of choppy editing because I was talking and showing how to do something and I was not recording. And I know we have all had that happen to us. So now we're going to make a very quick and simple pair of earrings to match the bracelet we just made. And I just got it sitting over here to the side to allow the glue to dry, and then I'll snip those ends. So I'm just going to move that out the way. This is my 1.5 millimeter looper. Everyone I've seen watching videos are getting this for their dangles and such. I've had it in my stash for a very, very long time. Plus I even got the 2.25 millimeter one. So, but we're going to use the 1.5 one today. I got 2 head pins right here. And these are about 2.8 inches. And I picked these up a long time ago. Ooh, I want to say maybe about, what is this, 2021? Maybe about 3 years ago from a jewelry show I went to. Of course, that was pre-COVID. 2 earring wires for your ears. And of course, you need the backs right here. Okay, so it's simple. These are going to be a simple pair of earrings. I don't want to say it's simple to do it because it took me a while to learn how to do that looper. So here, just put your bead on your head pin. And guys, they make different decorative head pins. You know, you can go online to different bead companies, and they have some that have stars and diamonds at the end and everything. So I loaded my wire into my looper, and as you can see, it comes through a little hole right here. All you do is butt it up against this here, but not too close because you don't want to break your bead. Squeeze, bend it back just a little bit, and release. Now, as you can see, it doesn't close it up all the way. Normally, what I do is just take a pair of needle nose pliers and I just stick it in here and close it. That's it. We're going to do that again. Here we go. Get our head pin, put our bead on here, put it into our looper. Get it as close as we can without getting too close to wanting to damage the bead. Squeeze, bend back a little, release. That's it. And as you can see, it's still open a little bit. And I just take my needle nose pliers and close it up. That's it. Let me hold it up this way so you can see it. That's it. Simple pair. Well, simple putting the earring on the head pin. Now, here's the ear wire. When you open this, you don't pull it this way. You pull it like this because you don't want to mess up the circumference of it. God, I lost my words. So you take it and you just bend it towards you. Put your earring. Did I bend it enough? Hold on, let me see. Sometimes I think I did. There we go. Put it on here like that. And you just close that back up. And guys, you got a pair of earrings. Look at that. You got a pair of little simple little earrings. So let's do the next one. And I always close this up a little bit because it's open so wide from, I guess, the manufacturing process. So let's look at this one. Does it need to be closed a little bit? Just a little. So let's take our ear wire. Hold on, guys. I got to come in to make sure which end I can't see so far away. So open it like that. Just move it towards you. Take this, loop it on there, back, and now you got a pair of earrings. Wasn't that simple, guys? I know, it takes time. I'm not going to simplify it and everything. It just takes time, and once you get used to it, it'll go like a breeze. And then I just put the backs on, like so. Well, I guess I could. Let me come a little closer because I can't see. And I just got your back on the back of your earring. There we got it. So guys, let me move this beadboard out the way. Here are the earrings. I should get my little earring tree. I got to go dig it out too because I got a lot of it. You know what? Let me just keep it here. Let me put this back on here so maybe it'll look better this way. Actually, you know what? We're going to put this on a card. Hold on. Just hold on. We'll put it on the card so you can see it better. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I just don't know why my camera keeps cutting out and everything. But anyway, I got a card. This is one of those tag cards from Michael's Hot Buy section. And I did punch 2 holes in them. And I just used my We Are Memory Keepers hole punch at the 1/8 and punched 2 holes on here. And just going to loop my earrings in like that. And now we got the earrings on a card. So isn't that gorgeous? Oops, hold on. Let me get something put back here to let it. Let's use our stamping block to put those up. And here is the bracelet that we made earlier. Now what I would do is once this glue dries and I cut this off, normally I'll use a bigger bead to try to hide that knot in. Really, honestly, when you go to wear it, it's not going to be that noticeable anyway. But if that bothers you seeing that knot and you don't have like a bead, something similar to this to hide the knot in, or a bail, what I do is I'll take a jump ring, and I usually use a 6 or 7 millimeter jump ring, and I'll put 2 jump rings and then have a charm hanging from it. So that's what I would do when I don't have a bead in here to hide the hole. But I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. I want to apologize for all of the choppy editing, but these things happen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I do respond to each and every one of my comments. Guys, unfortunately, I can't leave any links to these beads because I've had these beads for about 3 or 4 years. But any bead, you can use any bead. You can use a glass bead, a gemstone bead, an acrylic bead, a plastic bead, anything you want to make a stretchy bracelet. As long as you have some stretch cord, you're good to go. So thank you again for stopping by to watch this video and leave comments. I want you guys to enjoy your Mother's Day weekend. Be safe. Take care of one another. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.